Back here at our live action, you're still watching Governor Ramon B. Guico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governor's Cup. In the first set, nakuha ng Team Orbistondo. And let's see kung ma-extend ba ng Team Lawak ang game na to or tuluyan na kukunin ng Orbistondo ang panalo para sa ating Sunday schedule here at Calasiao Sports Complex. Atake ngayon ang team Orbis and Bugcagon with a strong down the line. The ball is still alive. Yun lang, walang kumuha nung third ball for Team Lawak. Nice up there. Bugcagon finding a hole. And a smart move coming from Bugcagon and nice up coming from the libero of Team Orbistondo, Carnero. And the service ace for Garcia. Sayang, outside na sana yung service na yan pero nasungkit pa nito ni Margalio. Garcia again with a strong serve. Free ball again. What will they do? To the middle, Arambolo. Too short there. Arambolo with a down the line attack coming from Arambolo. Bugcagon now on deck. Short pass. Gagawin ng paraan ngayon down the line. Easy picking for Bugcagon. Arambolo once again. Albay was there. To the opposite side. Nice up coming from the libero once again. And Albay will go to Margalio. And a net touch here coming from Kapwa. And she's telling our first referee na wala raw. Pero it was a good call coming from our referee. Point now will go to Team Lawak.